Hey guys, we are going to do a bedtime visor install on the AR-10 III or 3, I don't know how you say it, and we're swapping the visor out with a tinted one. The visor is an AR-28, so AR-28 on the, no, HJ-28, HJ-28 on the AR-10. Here we go. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. I found Phillips aren't big enough to go in, so just grab a flathead, and that's all you need. Be careful not to scratch anything.
Oh my goodness, I just ate one. I'm eating so I can lay down. I'm sure there was plenty, but you drained it all.
All right, thanks for watching the nighttime visor install. Appreciate it, guys. Just so you guys know, I did notice my legs. I am wearing boxers, so it's all good. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Oh, also, there's babies sleeping right next to me, so that's why this is so quiet, and we're doing it in the bed, not in the garage. All right, bye.